In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Telegram Translate not working in just a few simple steps. If the translate option is missing or not showing up in your chats, this quick fix will get it working again in under a minute. This is especially useful if you're chatting in multiple languages or part of international groups. If this helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy app fixes and tutorials. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Make sure you're using the latest version of the app because the translate feature may not work properly on older versions. Once Telegram is open, tap on Settings, which you'll find at the bottom right on iPhone or in the menu on Android. Inside Settings, scroll down and tap on Language. This is where Telegram manages all language-related options. Now look for the option called Show Translate button. If this is turned off, that's exactly why translation isn't working. Tap the toggle to turn it on. Once enabled, go back to any chat that's written in a different language. You should now see a translate button appear at the top or when you tap on a message. Tap it and the message will instantly translate to your default language. If you still don't see the option, try closing and reopening Telegram or restarting your phone and then check again. And that's it. You've successfully fixed Telegram Translate not working. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick fix.